golden flame behind all form, a steady radiant sight. It rises far beyond the sky and lives as inner light. It warms the worlds both near and far, moves time and breath as one, a silent guide through space and mind, the wisdom of the sun. In the light of the inner sun, all-knowing starts to grow. What once was hidden comes alive, and truth begins to show. From star to heart, from soul to form, one light, one living stream. The sun reveals existence whole as more than it may seem. A spark awakens deep inside, a call to look within, to trust the knowledge already held and let the journey begin. Each trial shapes the inner fire, each limit falls away. The soul steps through its test with care and learns what light can say. In the light of the inner sun, all-knowing starts to grow. What once was hidden comes alive, and truth begins to show. From star to heart, from soul to form, one light, one living stream. The sun reveals existence whole as more than it may seem. Through challenge met and lessons learned, the vision clears its view. Each stage reveals a deeper truth and points where light leads through. Guided by what has gone before, aware of what comes next, the soul expands its field of sight beyond the mind's context. In the light of the living sun, both vast and close at hand, the soul remembers who it is and where all worlds are planned. The macro mirrors what is small, the inner mirrors vast. One radiant